Morning, folks. Kevin here. Well, the sun is out today, and yesterday we were able to get a lot of the snow cleared up. This morning, minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So very, very cold day today, but the skies look pretty clear. I think we're going to get some sun throughout the day. So one of the things I want to do is see if I can clear off the solar panels. Yeah, it's been a brutally cold winter and all. And whenever we got the sun, I want to see if we can make some more electricity here. You know, those of you, I think people are, from conversations that I've been hearing lately, from family members, from people that you know, when I went to the dentist and all, people are talking about how electrical rates are going up and how much more it costs just to pay their electric bills and all. And lots of people are on plans to help be able to pay it off every month because of the real high up here in the Northeast, the heating bills. And, you know, electricity is used for so many different components of heating and all. And yeah, we're so happy we installed our solar panel arrays back in 2012 and then added on to it in 2015. And it's very possible this year we'll be adding even more. Even though these produce more than what we need for the year, there's reasons I'll go over in another video where I actually want to do some more solar panels being added on in the future and all. So anyway, since the sun is up and it's starting to hit, you can see there's still some shade on these ones here. These ones are just about cleared. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and see. Good Lord willing, I hope it comes off with the roof shovel this time. We don't need to use the big unit. And we'll see how it goes, or roof rake, whatever you want to call it. Here we go.
Every morning starts the same old way. A voice in your head got something to say. It'll tell you you're stuck, tell you you're small, or it'll tell you get up. You ain't done it all. That voice don't care if it's right or wrong, it just grows roots if you let it stay long. What you think is what you become. Every road you walk, every race you run. Call yourself broken, you'll limp along. Call it a lesson, you'll come back strong. You can curse the rain or use it to grow. What you think is what you become, you know. You can wear the label, life's done me wrong. Carry that weight till your back bends strong. Blame every loss on fate or time, or sharpen the edge of a stubborn mind. Failure ain't a verdict, it's a clue, pointing straight at what you gotta do. What you think is what you become, a loaded gun or a callous thumb. Say you're a victim, that's where you'll stay. Say I'll learn, you'll find a way. You can sit in the dark or strike a flame. What you think is what you become. I've seen men fall and never stand, 'cause they shook hands with the word can't. I've seen others bleed, learn to fight, turn every wrong into a guiding light. The world don't bend, it don't pretend, but it'll meet you where your thinking ends. When you fail, don't bow your head. Ask yourself what the failure said. It ain't the end, it's a sharpened stone for building strength you didn't know you owned. What you think is what you become, a locked steel door or a kingdom won. If you think this pain is all you are, you'll never see how strong you are. Choose your words like seeds you sow. What you think is what you become. So mind that voice when the night comes down. It's either building you up or running you down. Life gives chances dressed as pain. Think like a grower, not a man in chains. In the end, it's simple, cold and true. What you think becomes you.
Two girls grew up in the same small room, same hand-me-down, same cracked tile floor, same cold winter, same hard rules, same slammed doors and unpaid scores. One said life keeps breaking me, the other said let's wait and see. First one woke with an ache each day, back, knees, neck, something always wrong. Doctor's notes and a bottle of blame. Every story ended where it began. People cut in line, took what they could. She said they would if they only understood. The other scraped up her bloody knees, missed her marks, failed hard and loud, cried in the dark, swore she was done, then showed back up, chin still proud. Every fall taught her where not to stand. Every scar put strength in her hands. It ain't luck that carries you through, it's what you choose when the fall comes due. One waits on mercy, one stands alone. One builds walls, one builds bones. Same storm above, same ground they're on. She ain't the lucky one, she's the one who doesn't give up, moves on. One says, why is this always me? Counts every slide, every crooked deal. The world's a thief in her tired eyes, and pain's the proof of what she feels. She wears her hurt like a shield and crown. Every chance dies where she lays it down. The other signs up when odds look bad, trusts her gut more than comfort does. Gets burned, learns quick, pays her dues, keeps stepping forward because she must. She don't deny when the hurt cuts deep, she just don't let it tell her who to be. It ain't luck that opens the door, it's standing up one time more. One says I can't, one says I'll try. One lets the moment pass her by. Same past, same blood, same sun. She ain't the lucky one, she's the one who doesn't give up, moves on. Funny thing about pain and choice, they both grow louder when you listen close. One feeds fear till it runs the show. One feeds courage slow and low. Years roll by and the lines are clear. One still waiting on fair and kind. The other's weathered but standing tall. Built a life out of a stubborn mind. If you ask her how she got so far, she'll say I failed and I learned who I are. It ain't luck, it ain't grace alone, it's the thoughts you keep when you're on your own. You can be a victim of every fall, or use that ground to learn to stand tall. Same world, same fire, same sun. She ain't the lucky one, she's the one who doesn't give up. She's the one who becomes someone. Two sisters, same start, different ends. It all came down to what lived in their heads. Life didn't choose which one would win, they chose what they'd become back then.
We don't have to win every fight or prove we're always right. Don't have to shout to be heard or sharpen every word. We can slow this whole thing down. Take a breath, look around. Remember we're all still here on the same worn piece of ground.
We can do better than this, than fists and walls and bitterness. We can listen more than we speak, find a little common ground to keep. It starts with me, it starts with you. Small good things we choose to do. We don't have to fix the world tonight, but we can do better than this.
Maybe we start face to face, not hiding behind a screen. Talk like neighbors used to do about what's wrong and what we mean. Disagree without contempt, give grace before offense. Assume the best before the worst, that's how trust gets built again. Yeah, we can do better than this, than tearing down and doubling fists. We can argue, still respect, draw our lines without regret. It starts at home and starts inside with how we speak and how we drive. We don't have to fix the world tonight, but we can do better than this. Tearing down and doubling fists, we can argue, still respect, draw our lines without regret. It starts at home, it starts inside with how we speak and how we drive. We don't have to fix the world tonight, but we can do better than this. Teach our kids to work things out with effort, skill, and pride. Show them how to carry weight, not just pick a side. Honor those who serve and stand. Police, soldiers, helping hands. Hold the bad ones to account, but don't damn the whole damn land. We can do better than this, than painting all with one black brush. We can stand for law and care for justice, truth, and fairness too. It starts with words and turns to deeds, with everyday responsibility. We don't have to fix the world tonight, but we can do better than this. Turn down the noise, turn off the feed. Go outside, plant a seed, build something real with your hands. That's how a broken heart understands. Yeah, we can do better than this. Choose love over outrage, clicks. Choose courage, calm, and time. Choose truth that doesn't have to rhyme. One step, one day, one choice at a time. That's how we start to heal the divide. We don't have to fix the world tonight, but we can do better than this. We can do better than this. It won't be fast, it won't be clean, but it starts with who we choose to be.
Okay, not too bad. It came off fairly well. I just finished up this small section here, and you can see the sun's hitting it. Sun's gonna come around. Hopefully we don't get too much clouds today and we really get this cleaned off. We're supposed to get a small amount of snow. Excuse me, a small amount of snow tonight, I think, and tomorrow, but nothing big. So yeah, the snow, when it comes, it just compacts right down. I hate for it to snow during the daytime when the sun has been out and the panels are warm. Well, then that water that as the snow hits it freezes as the sun goes down, and it really makes it tough to peel off. It wasn't too bad today. You could see I could get some big chunks to come off at a time. And it wasn't that much. You could see the pile that I've got there. One of the things I would say is this snow is just, you can walk right on top of the snow out here. The deer are walking right on it. And it's just compacting right down. But you can see, here it is here. I just got it cleaned off here. This is the last section here. And you can see it's coming off pretty darn well. It'll start melting just like it's melting here around the frames. Of course, it'll take time to get cleared off, but it's coming off. Are we happy we invested in putting these solar panels in when we did? Solar panels were much more expensive then, and the prices have come down. People have asked me, the only thing I would say is most people think about rooftop solar panels and all. And the thing that I would really recommend, if you're going to put rooftop solar panels, maybe a metal roof would be the roof to put it on. The metal roof is going to last a long time, whereas your standard asphalt shingles just aren't going to last as long. I know 25 years seems like a long time. It's not. And you don't want to be peeling the solar panels off your roof to replace your roof. Nowadays, it's more expensive, but getting solar roof on, They're not panels that go on top of your roof. It's basically like the shingles that go right on it. Tesla makes them, and I know there's a couple other companies that make them now. They're still expensive, and mainly because there isn't the TAM, the total addressable market. There isn't this tremendous demand for them. It's just in more affluent areas and all. I was really hoping by this point that the prices would be coming down enough that everybody, when they're putting on roofs, would be putting on solar panels that are hail resistant. They're going to last, you know, many, many years, probably 50 years. I'm not sure of the actual duration. But the idea of getting up and redoing a roof, and certainly in snow country like this, I think having a metal roof is better because we get so much snow. It'll slide off better. So you won't have to get up there and shovel off your roofs as well. Just a few of my thoughts that I think about. If I were to do this again, where we live here in central New York, and you can see how quickly it's melting there, I would have these arrays be higher, be a couple feet higher, just 2 feet higher, be right about here, the bottom edge of it. And of course that array would have to be back a couple more feet, several more feet, because you can see where the shadow is. These panels here cast this shadow here. Now, of course, we're past the winter solstice, where the sun is the lowest in the sky. The daytime is the shortest and nighttime is the longest. So that shadow that we see here goes right up to here on December 21st. So that's where it is. So you want to plan, you know, what you can do. And I think gardeners could easily garden with solar panels like this. Now, where we get the snow and I have to come in here and snow blow this out or clear it out, it's not great to be putting gardens in here. But, you know, if you're like our nursery, it'd be awesome to go ahead and plant put our pots right out here that are shade tolerant in the early, you know, for the first season, like our pawpaw trees and all. So it's just thinking about all the things that you want to accomplish when you're getting something like this installed, and thinking about the future, because this is quite a heck of an investment. And you want that investment not to regret it years later. And certainly if you're someone who's only going to live in a place for just a few years and then flip it, it's probably not worth it. I don't think it increases the resale value that much at this time, but if electric rates keep going up, it probably will increase the resale value. Okay, you can see the sun's really working at it now, so we're making some kilowatts. Pretty excited about that. Feeding it back into the grid right now because we're not using all of that energy that's being produced right now. It's a good feeling. Okay, folks, that's it for today's video. Just thought I'd talk a little bit more about the solar panel since the snow came off pretty easy this time. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.